Hello there, welcome to the video. And our the pair for today's video is the EURGBP, the euro versus the pound. So without any further waste of time, let's get into the analysis, right? So as usual, I do start from the 4-hour time frame, as you can see here, and what I do is to switch to a line graph and identify key levels, right? By key level. So adjust this. Excuse me for that. So as I was saying, I want to cater for this key level there, the bottom, and the key level at the top, which both of these key levels represent my playgrounds of the market, right? Playgrounds of the market, and looking into it to cater for another key level would be here. And lastly, I think I'd add like a minor key level here, and also possibly, okay, possibly there. Okay, so I have my 3 major key levels and my 2 minor key levels, but basically I do have my key levels on the line graph of the EURGBP. Now switching back to candlesticks to identify now the market structure and how, and yeah, basically the market structure. So I'm seeing this massive trend here, which is a sell trend. It was a buy, it is now a sell. Why? Because the market has broken out and retested, right, as you can see, and also it retested on my key level, right, on my minor key level. So I just wanna, add a zone here, since this is a minor key level. I just wanna add it as a zone to for accuracy. So yeah, it's better now. So it was a buy, it is now a sell, because the market has broken out and retested off on this trend line and also on my zone and my minor key level. So the overall is a sell, and if I move deeper to the hourly time frame to cater for confirmations and also entries, I'm seeing this small trend here. I'll just draw the supporting trend line, and I won't cater for the, okay, let me do it. Let me cater for the resistance here, the resisting trend, the resisting trend line. So here, this is one reversal pattern, which is a bearish flag, if not mistaken. Comment down below what you think. Comment down below if you know this pattern here. So now I think that since now the overall is buys, sells, sorry, sells, I do obviously want to cater for sells, most likely cater for sells more than buys, because the market is broken out of my overall buy, and also gave me this continuation chart pattern, right? So it broke out, gave me this continuation pattern, and basically there's a chance that the market might continue to the downside. So I think for me, I would cater for sales either by a reversal chart pattern, whether it can be a double top, or it could be an inverted head and shoulder. I mean a head and shoulders. A head and shoulders, which is something like this. Head and shoulders is something like this, right? So this is a head and shoulders, the right shoulder, I mean the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head. So yeah, this is what I'm looking to see. This is what I wanna see for me to cater for sales. But I don't wanna say it in a way of like I'm demanding to see this pattern. But basically, if I do see a reversal chart pattern, as long as it's a reversal chart pattern, whether a double top, an inverted header, and a head and shoulders, and more, you know, and that's where I can cater for sales, which I would have, you all know, a sell stop. I would have a sell stop as an entry and not just as like a market execution, which means like executing a trade immediately, you know. That's not really me. It's kind of rare for me to like just execute a trade immediately, you know. Most of the times, I would say 90% of the times is by these pending orders. So my entry would be there and my stop loss would be there at 0.88407, and for my take profit it would be there obviously at my nearest key level, which is there, which gives me a good rest-to-run ratio of 1.85. So that's fine, I'm cool with it, you know, I'm cool with it. But at the same time, I also want to cater for like the whole move, and I want to cater for the move, this big move, you know. I'm not for this big move. This is what I'm talking about. This move, I want to cater for that, and as you can see, that the restaurant ratio is a good 6.39. So this is what I want to cater for and complete this trend here. But at the same time, it's possible, but there's rules for that. There's kind of like rules, you know, and it depends. So for me to cater for this would be, so as I said previously, my take profit would be my nearest key level, which gave me a 1.85 rest-to-run ratio. So what I can do is to basically, if the market does reach here and activate my sell, basically if the market activates my sell and pushes down to reach my key level there, then should I possibly lock my profits possibly there at the key level that I've just catered for, this key level, lock my profits there and just see if the market is gonna, you know, break to the downside, retest and continue, and do the same thing, break out, retest and continue to the downside until it reaches my overall take profit. that's how I would cater for this. That's how I would cater for a trade on this pair. But I do wanna do it. Yes, I really wanna do it. I wanna take that risk, you know. So I would cater for this. Basically, I will cater for this opportunity only if the market does give me uh, confirmations for me to basically have entries, right? For me to have entries, whether it's by week rejections, chart patterns, you know. So yeah, at the end, I do wanna see reversal chart patterns, right? For me, basically reversal patterns for me to basically cater for a trade on this pair. And yeah, this is my analysis. Let me know if you do trade this pair. What other pairs do you trade? You trade currencies or indices, or basically what instruments do you trade? And if you do trade this pair, let us know what are you seeing. Are you seeing buys, sells? If you already have a trade, or if you took a loss, let us know how you took that loss, how you took that win or profit. And yeah, thank you for watching. This is the analysis that I have for the EURGBP pair, and without any further waste of time, I will see you in the next video.